the Trousseau and Travel Edit by Purple Events happening only for 2 days, today and tomorrow, 17th and 18th of January. It's here at Reflection Gallery and Reflection 2.0. There are about 12 brands that have come over here with their collection where they have some beautiful Indo-Western sets, 2 and 3 piece suits, they have handcrafted saris, bags, chair, shoes, chair. They also have some sweet options as well. And you can see how decked up we all are. So all these options will be available to you only for 2 days, today and tomorrow, 17th and 18th of January at Reflection and Reflection 2.0. This exhibition is by Purple Events. If you want to check out the collection, then swipe left. Hi, so we have from options from crop tops.
Okay, so this brand is Karakala. They have nice options in crop tops.
And cord sets and
Cord
dresses
sets.
also as well. Plus we have a choice of different fabric variations that you will see. We
Okay.
also have muslin cord sets
Muslin cord sets.
and the fabric of your choice. We have some Banarsi
Banarasi
cord sets
options.
as well. We have a wide range of unstitched in which we are providing you free stitching.
Okay, unstitched में options है where they are providing free stitching. Okay.
Such heavy pieces for your wedding trousseaux. We have a pure collection of pure tissues
Pure tissue નું પણ collection છે.
with us. And
Okay.
then we have some heavy pieces of Georgettes
Georgette.
and the colored tissue which you feel is right.
Okay, so colored tissue में પણ options છે and they have an all white collection as well over here
And we have a wide range of dresses as well.
and they have dresses as well.
So this brand is called Tersha. मैं एमनाज collection માંથી outfit પહેર્યો છે. Over to you.
Hi, so we are back with our best sellers. Kaftan sets.
Kaftan sets.
We have added new styles like this.
Okay.
Some shrug and lehenga choli options.
Shrug and lehenga choli options. 4-piece set છે. Okay.
Being the last show of the season, we are offering certain discounts on few styles.
Okay, so since this is their last show of the season, they are offering a couple of discounts on only a limited amount of pieces.
These are
Okay.
best for the cocktail parties.
Cocktail parties.
Of course, for the Trousseau. We have some khadi options also.
ખાદી માં પણ options છે.
Tube tops.
Tube tops. 3-piece sets.
We are offering color option and size options in all of
Okay,
these styles.
so customization. So this brand is called Punchy Accessories. They have some nice bags and they have some nice footwear options like these. Okay, these are all customizable. They have mobile pouches as well. You can just take a look at all these bag options. Potlies માં પણ options છે એમની પાસે. Okay. So all these options that you can see over here, એ બધા તમને જોવા મળશે. And these are customizable as well?
Yes, definitely.
So these are all customizable as well. So this brand is called?
Sutra Lila X Sarvatrik Kala.
Okay.
We have saris, dupatta,
Sarees છે એમની પાસે like these, similar to what she's worn.
dupatta, kurta in kala cotton from
Okay.
Bujodi cuts.
Okay, they have
Kurta,
दुपट्टा
दुपट्टास છે સ્ટોલ્સ માં ઓપ્શન્સ છે
we have
એમની પાસે
Fumta borders.
Fumta borders. So this brand is called World of Tanit. Hello.
Right.
Okay, so what do you have in your
So
collection
we
today?
bought Sharara sets for the wedding.
Sharara sets.
We have organza, pure organza maruni work kurta sets.
Okay.
Then we have kurtas in malchanderi
Malchanderi માં
with
options છે.
tissue pants.
With tissue pants. Banarasi માં પણ options છે similar to what she's
So what's
worn.
wearing. Then we have kaftans.
Kaftans. Okay.
Then we have kaftans which are a little lighter. For
Lighter.
travels. Then we have drape
Okay.
skirt sets.
Drape skirt set છે. Okay.
We have kurtas in Baluchi style. with
3-piece
salwars.
suits. Okay.
We have Marodi kurta sets.
Marodi kurta sets.
We have kurta sets in Malchanderi.
Okay.
Again in Malchanderi. Then we have fabric.
So this brand is called Presa Jewels.
Yes, and we have some wide collection of imitation jewelry starting from American diamond tops.
Okay.
Then we have some American diamond sets. Then we have gemstone malas. Some more gemstone tops and
Okay.
malas. And we have Kundan collection.
Kundan collection.
Yeah, these all are stainless steel kadas and bracelets. Then we have stainless steel rings. These are our American diamond bracelets. Then we have these chains.
And they have more jewelry set options like these. This brand is called Cocovis and they have some amazing chocolates.
Almond bars,
Almond bars, chocolate bars
range,
sugar free ma range cha.
fresh fruits.
Fresh fruits are there. They have hot chocolate mix as well.
Yeah, and truffles
Truffles cha.
and Noir Velvet. This is my premium product, and again this is my premium product. These are Centerfield bonbons.
Okay, Centerfield bonbons. So this brand is called Pohi. They have some beautiful options like these. Nice festive wear pieces.
We have Angorka style curly dress,
Angorka style party wears. Okay.
have catwalk dress.
Heartwork dress, this comes with a skirt. Okay. They have some nice 2 and 3 piece suits as well. Okay.
We have
color
options.
Color options chair. Okay.
हम अपन catwalk करेलू છે.
Heartwork કર્યું છે. Okay. Okay. એમની USPs કે એમના બધા જ majority of their pieces are under 9K. Okay. So આખા ને આખા sets તમને 9,000 ની under મળશે. Straight kurtis માં છે. Okay.
We have tissue dresses.
Tissues as well. They have some nice chaniya choli options as well. Okay. Crush ma pan chanyas che like these. So this brand is called Eddie and Birdie. They have some very cute kids collection. Okay. So Poshak. So they have options for kids between the ages of 2 to 8. And 8 years ni pachi they are into customizations in case you want to get any piece made. Okay. Some dresses, some nice chaniya choli options. Boys mate kurtas ma options che like these. Okay. They have more options over here like these. Okay. They have some kurta options as well for boys like these over here. So this brand is called Ghat. They have Akhu collection cotton ni upar. Okay.
Very bright colors.
So nice shirts. Mal cotton shirts che.
Then we have pastels also.
Pastels ma options che. Okay.
And we have
Short
muslin
tops, muslin ma tops che. So this brand is called Label Priyanka. So they have some Banarasi suit materials che. 2 and 3 piece both.
These are 2 pieces,
These are 2 pieces. Okay.
and these we have in 3 pieces.
And these are 3 pieces. Okay.
We also have some silk kaftans.
Silk kaftans like these. Okay. Beautiful. Ghagras સાથે પેર કરી શકો, pants જોડે કરી શકો.
We have malmal.
માલમાં dresses છે. Something like this in quad sets. They have some nice travel wear, casual wear options છે એમની પાસે, different colors and patterns.
And this is a new launch.
And this is all part of their new launch collection. Okay. So this brand is called Sri Lakshmi Jewels. They have beautiful ring options like these. Okay, they have malas as well. Statement earrings joiti ho if you're looking for some traditional neck pieces, if you're looking for some choker sets with earrings, so ema pan options che. These are all traditional earrings that they have over here. These are all nice statement earrings, statement pieces pan che emni paase to choose from. Okay, options like these are available. Neck pieces more options che, earrings like these, and brass based jewelry che emni paase. Okay, bangles and kadas, and they have more options over here as well. Okay. All right, and this brand is called Sri Lakshmi Jewels.